What's up you all? How are you? I hope that you all doing amazing. It's your girl, Mwaura, and I'm here to go guys with an interesting video. So my people, as you can see, I'm in the kitchen. Why? Because today I have some visitors. Today my cousin and my niece came to visit me, and in the kitchen right now. I want to make them something nice. I want to make them some barbecue. And guys, as you can see, I'm already marinating some chicken right here. Here is the chicken. I've already marinated it. And guys, I don't think I have time to put it in the fridge, you know, for the marination to do the tingle. But I just decided, okay, let me just, you know, don't mind that. It's my cousin who is already making some potatoes because we want to put some potatoes, you know what I mean. So guys, right now I've already marinated. I've used some of these spices right here. So right now I just want to put this in the cousin. This is my crazy cousin, guys. Don't worry. Yani today nataka niwape raw content. Venye yani nikiwapa kitchen mambo zangu venye nazifanyanga, you know. Waru ndio hizi ziko ready. Kuzo. Utatolewa hii, tumbo dirali ikiwa utatolewa hii hapo moja na hii moja na kitunguu saumu acha nitumie hii tukirodereshi. Here is my sinia. So hapa ndio nataka I put my aluminum foil, and then I can place my chicken right here and then put it in the oven. This is going to be a quick one. Let's get it. Utanipatia vitunguu sio? Ama mara sita. Oh, I didn't have one name. Yes, I knew I had another one. Didn't it? Guys, I had another aluminum foil. I had not like lizard, so we're going to use that. This is all we are going to use. Get some remainder. I'll place that foil there. Then this is where I'm going to place my chicken and cover it. So this is how I make my chicken, and then I'll put some like hapa ile kiasi like that, ndio huku nikiweka isishike kwa nini stick kwa aluminium foil. So na mafuta hivi unaelewa. By the way guys, it's my cousin who told me that she wants me to make her, but she watched some of my previous videos and she was like, ile time nitakuja, I want you to make me that chicken. And guys, we had to go get the chicken because it was an abrupt visit and I had to make sure that she gets comfortable in here. So I take my chicken right here. Then I'll just place it. I'll place the pieces here. Like this. Like this. Una like? Una like? Like that. Okay, let me mention the spices that I have used. Thank you for that question. I've used black pepper. There you go. Unashika hizi kiweka hapo. Haya, nimetumia white pepper. There you go. Nimetumia curry powder. There you go. Nimetumia chicken masala. Pia nimetumia a bit of paprika. For it to be that juicy, nimetumia light soy sauce. So hizo ndio vitu nimetumia, na pia nimeweka chumvi kidogo, nimeweka vegetable oil ndio nikakoroga nice. Alafu pia nimetumia 1 piece of Maggi cubes. That's what I've used to marinate my chicken, and that's how my chicken Waru pia nitazieka huku hivi Zitaiva at the same time utaona. Alafu juu nataka ndio ziive vizuri kuliko niziweke kama nimefunua nazifunika na hii. Hata kama kuna hiyo juice isimwagike, unaelewa, ama isiwe dry, ibaki hapo tu kwa kweli. Yeah. Na hii kitunguu nitakuonyesha. Yes, sawa tu. Nisaidie kitunguu. Sasa hii kitunguu pia tunaiweka. Alafu tunajua chakula iko na kitunguu mingi penye tamu. Yeah, so that's why kitunguu ni ya hiyo taste ingie kwa kuku. Wait for it. Ndio hizi waru zisikae funny, like zisikae so too white, unaweza mwagia paprika hivi. Unaelewa? Yes. Yes. Guys, now this is the final look of my chicken. There you go. Yes. So let's cover it, turn to okay? Kwa oven for 45 minutes and our food will be ready. And this is what we want to put in the oven. Wow. So to wash it. Then I want it to heat for like 7 minutes. Then after that tufanye nini? Tuweke yetu kuliko tuweke ikiwa baridi. By the way. Yes. Guys, we've already placed our chicken in the oven, and guys, right now we just want to have some fun, and yeah, let's take a shot and enjoy. Got your drink here. Tunakunywa nini hapa? Tunakunywa, mnahitaji? Tunakunywa best. Si best. Tunakunywa county. Hapa tunaenjoy county. Nianza kunywa shot man. Cigarette zangu. We're going to cheers and enjoy it. More life. Tuonane tukitoa hii chicken kwa oven ndio tu enjoy. Right now, I know it's ready. Let's check it out. It's done. Acha tuone iko aje, si ndio? Okay. Baone. Checky. Wow. How is it? Remember the day. It's ready. Maruzi iko ready, nyama iko fiti. Acha tuonje nyama, tuone iko aje. Hang out the whole next day. Laughing, having fun. Guys. Na kitunguu. Kitunguu is my favorite. Guys. Waru. Tamu. Pia kuzo nitakupatia pia uonje uniambie inatestaje, sawa? Sawa. Okay. Remember the days we were young, wild and free, music getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. And guys, here is for my cousin. This is the presentation. Some tomato sauce and some pepper sauce. Yeah, I hope that she enjoys this meal. So guys, that's about my today's video. I hope that you've enjoyed watching this video up to this point to be preparing the meal for my cousin. This was an abrupt visit, as I had mentioned. I know what you're all thinking, that I could have, okay, at least tried like her taste the meal and say how it was tasting. But let me tell you all, she is shy. She's shy. She's like, no, don't show me, don't show me. You know, I know that she enjoys this meal. Yani anakula nasipo tosheka atakula nyingine, because we are having some good time here. We are just having some good time catching up as cousins, and I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you have enjoyed, make sure that you try this recipe at your place. Make sure that you do it at your home and have some good time with your loved ones. Anyway, guys, let me see you guys on the next one. Make sure I see you on the next one. Bye for now. Au revoir. See you.